So, what would you do if you won a Golf R? The purple Golf R?
Ooh. I love the engine. Yeah, you can't get away from that 290 horsepower. The thing can go, and the all-wheel drive just allows it to be an all-condition car. So you got the winter with the all-wheel drive and the engine for the summer. I am a customer here. Yeah, I fresh out of university, the first car I bought was a Jetta, and then when the family grew and outgrew the Jetta, we ended up coming back here to South Center and ended up buying the brand new big one, and just love it to death. I live in the Northwest, and I actually drive by another Volkswagen dealership just to come here for the service, both for purchasing and have my car serviced as well.
What if I told you you won the Golf R today?
I would be speechless. I don't even know what I'd do. I'd probably take a photo, send it to my fiance, and because she'd probably be the one who'd want to drive it most, but I'd be ecstatic.
Well, I hope you like purple.
I do actually. I was actually intrigued by the description online. It said it looks black at night but purple in the day, and I really like that feature where it's almost two different cars.
Okay, well, what I'm hinting at is you won the Golf R.
For a couple minutes with Matt's interrogation there, but congratulations. It's going to be a purple Golf R for you next summer.
No, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Awesome.